Hey everybody, this is J. Rue. I'm at Beasley Knob OHV Trails near Blairsville, Georgia. It's July 4th, Independence Day, and I'm out here riding solo. I don't know what orange diamond means, but it's really hard. I took the wrong trail apparently, and this is the down to go down. Lots of rocks. And then let me show you what I just came down. That. And I know the video never shows you the elevation difference, but there's one orange diamond to the right about 30 feet, and then there's another orange diamond about 100 feet away. That second orange diamond it's about 50 feet elevation difference. So it's almost a 45-degree grade. It's really steep and really rocky, and I've busted a couple times, but I think I'm almost done and back to a regular trail, so we'll see how it goes.